Hi everyone. Today we're showcasing the top 5 best car floor mat cleaners that actually work available in the market. If you want prices or more details, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Car Floor Mat Cleaner. This is a highly effective detailing solution designed specifically for restoring and protecting automotive floor mats and related surfaces. Its liquid, unscented formula targets rubber and vinyl mats, removing stubborn dirt, mud, road salt, and grime without causing fading, cracking, or discoloration. One of its strongest advantages is its ability to revive worn, dull mats back to a deep, factory-like black finish while restoring a soft, supple texture that enhances overall interior appearance. Beyond cleaning, it delivers a durable protective layer that helps resist future staining, UV damage, and everyday wear, making it ideal for long-term maintenance. The non-slip, dry-to-the-touch finish adds safety and practicality after application. Easy to use, it requires only spraying, light scrubbing, and wiping to achieve professional-grade results within minutes. Suitable for rubber mats, cargo liners, truck bed mats, and running boards. This 16-ounce solution offers versatile and reliable performance for all vehicle types. Now our second product is Meguiar's Foaming Floor Mat Cleaner. Meguiar's Foaming Floor Mat and Carpet Cleaner stands out as a professional-grade interior cleaning solution designed for both enthusiasts and everyday car owners. Its high-foaming formula penetrates deep into carpet fibers and matte surfaces, lifting stubborn dirt, road grime, and spills with ease. Whether used with a brush, towel, or drill attachment, it delivers consistent agitation and effective stain removal, making interior detailing noticeably easier and more efficient. One of its key strengths is speed. Its fast-acting foam quickly breaks down contaminants while restoring carpets, upholstery, and mats to a cleaner, refreshed, near-factory-like appearance. It performs well across rubber, synthetic, and fabric materials, offering true versatility for full interior use. Unlike many harsh cleaners, it has a pleasant, non-overpowering scent, improving the user experience during detailing. Backed by Meguiar's 125-year legacy in automotive care, this cleaner combines reliability, strong performance, and ease of use, making it a trusted choice for professional-level interior restoration at home. Our third product is WeatherTech Floor Mat Cleaner. WeatherTech Floor Mat Cleaner is a premium automotive interior solution designed for efficient and eco-conscious cleaning performance. Its liquid, unscented formula uses a foam-based action that clings to rubber and vinyl mats, quickly loosening dirt, sand, stains, and scuff marks. The spray applicator ensures easy, targeted use, making it convenient for both quick touch-ups and deep cleaning sessions. One of its standout strengths is its biodegradable composition, featuring clean ingredients-approved ingredients recognized by the EPA, making it a more environmentally responsible choice without compromising effectiveness. The cleaner not only removes buildup, but also prepares mats for additional protection layers like WeatherTech Floor Liner Protectants that it works gently yet thoroughly, lifting debris without damaging or dulling the original surface finish. The residue-free result leaves mats clean, refreshed, and ready for reuse. With strong cleaning power, ease of use, and eco-friendly formulation, this 36-ounce solution is ideal for maintaining automotive interiors at a professional detailing level. Now number 4, Adams Polish's Rubber Mat Cleaner. Adams Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant is a premium interior care solution designed to restore, protect, and enhance the appearance of automotive floor mats and liners. When paired with Adams Rubber Mat and Liner Cleaner, it creates a complete maintenance system that ensures deep cleaning followed by long-lasting protection. Its advanced formulation uses cross-linking acrylic polymers to deliver a durable, satin finish that refreshes faded mats and restores a rich, factory-like black tone. Unlike many protectants, this product stands out for its non-greasy and non-sticky feel, avoiding the overly shiny or slippery surfaces often found in competing formulas. The water-based composition allows it to dry quickly while forming an invisible protective layer that resists wear, staining, and environmental damage without altering the natural texture. Easy to apply and consistently effective, it provides a clean, refined look with a safe, non-slip finish. Backed by a strong satisfaction guarantee and made in the USA, it reflects reliable quality and professional detailing performance for long-term interior protection. And our last choice is Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Armor All Multi-Purpose Car Cleaner Spray is a versatile interior cleaning solution designed to handle a wide range of automotive surfaces with ease. Its 16 fluid ounces formula works effectively on vinyl, fabric, carpet, plastic, and rubber, making it a convenient all-in-one cleaner for full interior maintenance. It targets tough dirt, dust, grime, and stubborn smudges caused by everyday use, including sunscreen and insect repellent residues. One of its standout features is odor elimination technology, which helps neutralize unwanted smells from pets, food, and smoke, leaving the cabin noticeably fresher. The cleaner lifts dirt without damaging delicate surfaces and finishes with a clean, matte look that preserves the natural feel of interiors. Its new car scent adds a fresh, appealing fragrance after cleaning. Easy spray and wipe application makes it user-friendly for quick detailing. With strong cleaning power and multi-surface compatibility, it's a reliable choice for maintaining a clean, refreshed car interior. So, what do you think about these products? If you found this video helpful and want easy decision-making tips, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.